Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to log and make your Facebook account private. So let's move. The very first thing you need to do is to make sure you click on your Facebook app. And the next thing you need to do is to simply click on your profile icon. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on these three dots. And the next thing you need to do is to click on lock profile. Then it's going to take you right here. Now, when you lock your profile, these are three features that is going to happen to your account. Next thing you need to do is to click on lock your profile. So it's going to take you right here. You lock your profile. Only your friends can see the photo, post, and story on your profile. Simply click on OK. So you can see your profile lock right here. So it's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to lock your Facebook profile without any stress and make your account private. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.